So currently po is I'm in terminal in gate 2 of Philippine Airlines po, bound for Cagayan de Oro from Manila. So pinatawag po ako dito for the voucher that they're going to give me because of overbooking. I was transferred from flight 2525 at 4 p.m. supposed to be, but I'm transferred to flight 2529. So here I am, pinatawag po ako. Ano yun, ma'am? Yung
Sir, bale na-transfer po kasi tayo from 2525 to 2529. And then you will receive your travel voucher worth 5,000 non-cash po.
5,000? Wow! Without sanlat yan, ma'am. So,
Bale, sir, pa-sign na lang po ako dito and
wow, I was surprised. Kasi ang sabi sa akin is
3,500.
3,500 lang. Tapos ito 5,000 pala. So sino bang aayaw nito, 'di ba? Yan. So mga guys, mag Philippine Airlines na kayo. Oy, meron pa. Oh, yan. So dito pala yung claim. Wow. So parang equivalent to 2 flights ito, ma'am, ha?
Pwede niyo po yan gamitin, sir, for your
Future flights, yes.
O di kaya sa pag-book po ng sa mga seats and prepaid baggage.
Wow.
Sir, advice ko lang po kayo, yung validity po nito is for 1 year.
Okay.
And then, non-transferable po siya and sa Philippine Airlines ticketing office nyo lang po siya pwede i-click. Bawal po siya through online.
Ah, okay. So, no problem on that. So, thank you very much, ma'am, for the compensation. So, totoo pala. So, this goes with, ito yung meal nila na binibigay dahil po nalipat po ako sa later flight. So, hindi ka pagugutuman ni Philippine Airlines. Kaya, hindi ako nagkamali na mag-Philippine Airlines talaga. So, ma'am, thank you very much, ma'am. My vlog po, ma'am, is biyahe tayo. So, I'm giving travel guides to Filipinos locally and internationally po, ma'am. So, thank you once again.
Thank you po.
Thank you. Ito na, yun, no? So, happy customer po tayo. My boarding pass, ma'am, please. Thank you. Thank you. Yan. Yun. So, pinagpapirma tayo. Akala ko kasi it's only 3,500. Pero, ang kinalabasan is 5,000. Equivalent po yan ng 2 flights actually. Pag longer and date ng way up ahead po yung booking ninyo. Merong mga flights naman talaga na tag 2,300 minsan. So, eto, good for 1 year. So, until the next year of August, pwede tayo niyan. So, thank you again, once again, Philippine Airlines for being so kind. Okay? Equivalent to 5,000 pala. Okay, kayo po ang bida. Dakila po kayo. Thank you once again. Okay, see you around.